Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Choma. If you are new here, you are welcome. I'm bringing a video that is going to help to flatten your tummy, give you that smaller waist, like define your midsection. These exercises, when done perfectly well and consistently, will help to flatten your tummy in 5 days. You will do this exercise morning and evening for 5 days. And I want to let you know that the first day definitely is going to burn. You feel that pain, but after the first day, the second day, you feel better. And then by third day, you are almost on it. And then you definitely start seeing changes in your tummy. And I also want to let you know that you have to check what you eat, like healthy eating, drinking loads of water, and also portion control is going to help you. These are what I've been doing, that has brought me from where I was before to the body that I have right now. We are still on it. I will keep working because I want to see that 6 packs here. So I want you all to join me, be motivated. Let's all do this together. Let's do it.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. this life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
enjoyed working out with me today, and let me know if you try this exercise and what your thoughts are, as well as what your challenges are too. I'm here to motivate you all because it happened to me. Your greatest enemy is just starting. So just start. And when you start seeing results, you enjoy the process. Definitely, you always want to do this, you always want to exercise. So I want to let you know that while exercising, when you're tired, you are free to stop at any point and continue when you are okay. And also remember to drink water while exercising. Guys, it has been a journey for me, and I'm overwhelmed with the success I've had so far. Like, I'll be 6 months postpartum in a few weeks. So it's been a journey, and I am so happy with the result I've had so far. And so I'm here also to motivate you all to do the same. So do this and let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye.